The VEVOR Paintless Dent Repair Kit stands out as a very complete set, giving you a wide range of tools to tackle everything from small door dings to larger hail dents without disturbing the original paint. With its many specialized rods, lifters, hammers, and puller tabs, the kit is versatile enough to work on car panels as well as other metal surfaces like refrigerators and washing machines. The stainless steel dent rods have different shapes and bends, so you can reach awkward spots behind body panels and massage out dents with good control and minimal risk to the surface. The included glue gun, glue sticks, and variety of tabs allow for strong but reversible pulls, making it practical for people who want professional-style results without drilling or repainting. Helpful extras like the reflecting board and tap-down tools make it easier to see high and low spots and refine the repair, so panels look smoother and more uniform when you are finished. Everything packs into the provided bags, so the kit is reasonably portable and convenient to store, which encourages regular use instead of occasional expensive trips to a body shop.